Assalamu alaikum. This is the future architect Bali, and today the topic about which I am going to talk to ChatGPT is the future of education, how technology is transforming learning. The future of education is shifting from a traditional one-size-fits-all model to a dynamic, tech-driven ecosystem driven by advancement in artificial intelligence, immersive tech, and global connectivity. The classroom of tomorrow is borderless, highly personalized, and continuously evolving. Go to ChatGPT and talk about this topic for a deep dive. Hello, ChatGPT. How are you? Yes, everything is fine. Can we talk about something? It's future of education and how technology is transforming learning. The focus will be more on AI and AR. I'll take a start from AI and with respect to future support tools. First of all, the questions, and at the end, we will discuss a case study. Yeah, it's good. My first question is, how can AI help teachers personalize learning for a classroom of 30 plus students without increasing their workload? What are the biggest ethical concerns regarding privacy and when it phones track students' learning habits?
Yeah, that's a really important point. The biggest concerns usually revolve around how student data is collected, stored, and shared. If the data isn't anonymized or secured, it could be vulnerable to breaches or misuse. So, transparency, consent, and strong data protection are really key.
Mm, will AI grading systems eventually replace human essay grading and can we trust them to judge creativity?
That's a big debate for sure. AI grading systems are getting really advanced. They can handle things like multiple choice tests and even some basic essays. But when it comes to creativity, nuance, and complex argumentation, AI still struggles. Human graders bring that deeper contextual judgment. So for now, it's more about a collaboration. AI helps with efficiency, but teachers still provide that crucial human touch.
On classroom tech and immersive learning, how will virtual reality change the way we teach subjects like history and abstract physics?
Oh, it's going to be a game changer. Virtual reality can take students right into historical events. events like walking through ancient Rome, or let them experience abstract physics concepts by visualizing forces or particles in 3D spark a lot of curiosity.
What does a hybrid classroom look like in 2030 and how will it blend physical and digital spaces?
Yeah, by 2030, I think hybrid classrooms will be really fluid. You'll have students in the physical classroom, but also connected remotely in real time, using AI tools, VR, and even holographic displays. The teacher might move between both spaces, and lessons could be dynamic, like some students hands on in the lab while others join virtually, but still engage with the same concept. So it's really about blurring the barriers between physical and digital.
How can academic subjects?
Oh, gamification can be super powerful. In higher ed, you can create challenges or quests tied to course content, like earning points for completing cross-disciplinary projects or virtual badges for mastering tough concepts. It keeps students motivated, makes learning a bit more playful, and it can connect different subjects. Like, say, a history student earning points for analyzing both historical and economic factors.
On equity and the global divide, uh, as education relies more on advanced technology, how do we prevent the digital divide from widening the gap between rich and poor students?
Yeah, that, that's a really critical. Ensuring governments, NGOs, and tech companies can help distribute resources more equally. Plus, we need digital literacy programs so all students, regardless of their background, can navigate these tools confidently.
Then open source technology and AI democratize elite education for students in developing nations.
Absolutely. Open source tech is a total game changer because it's often free or very low cost, and it gives students and teachers and developing nations access to huge practice.
How must teacher training programs change way to prepare educators for the tech of tomorrow?
They're really evolving. Today's programs need to focus not just on basic tech skills, but on how to integrate AI, data literacy, and immersive tools into everyday teaching. So future-ready teachers will be trained in ethical AI use, personalized learning strategies, and continuous digital upskilling. So they're always a step ahead.
If AI can teach hard skills better than humans, what human-centered skills should teachers focus on?
That's a great point. While AI can handle things like math, coding, and data, teachers should really focus on empathy, creativity, critical thinking, and collaboration. Those human-centric skills that make us socially aware, emotionally intelligent, and able to navigate complex moral and ethical decisions.
Will traditional four-year university degrees become obsolete in favor of continuous tech-driven micro-credentials?
I think they'll evolve rather than vanish. They'll carry a lot of weight, especially for short courses on emerging tech or niche skills. The future might be a mix of both.
What does the school of future look like for a 7-year-old born today?
Ooh, for a 7-year-old, it's going to be pretty dynamic. I imagine learning will be super interactive, blending digital tools like AR and AI with hands-on activities. Teachers will probably guide them through personalized projects, and I bet they'll be collaborating globally, learning about different cultures and ideas from afar. So it'll feel like a blend of a classroom and a digital playground.
Thank you, ChatGPT. It was an excellent talk with you, and I hope the viewers will have the benefit out of it. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.
You're very welcome. I'm really glad we could have this conversation. Take care of yourself, and if you ever want to dive back in any topic, I'm here. Bye for now.